welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dave and today I have in front of me a Dell laptop. This is a 15-inch laptop. This is Inspiron 15 3000 series. So why I am showing you this, you see that this is not a new laptop. I'm not going to review it, I'm not going to unbox it, but this is a dead laptop. So a few days back there was a power surge and the motherboard of this was smoked. I tried to take it to the service center and try to fix it, but apparently it will cost a lot of money. This is an old model, this is almost 5-6 years old, so I said that no, it's not needed. But what I wanted to do is I want to salvage the hard disk out of it, and I'll just throw the rest of that, but I have important data there. So today we will be opening this laptop and I will be showing you how to open the RAM and how to take out the hard disk of this one. So let's proceed. So I turned it out. So the one good thing about this one was this, we don't have to open all the screws to get access to the hard disk of this. In the newer models we have to open the whole back panel, but here we just have to open this little screw here that we see here. So that's it. And we see there are some vents here. This is for the speaker vents and this one is for the RAM. I'm not sure why it is there. There is no fan or anything here. So it's as simple as that. I've opened it up and we have the RAM here. We have the WLAN card here. So this is used for our Wi-Fi. This is used there, and the hard disk is here. So very conveniently placed. If you want to take out the RAM, just do this. That's our RAM. So a lot of dust. I have opened it after many years. Made in China. This is a Samsung RAM. All right. And let me just show you. To open the hard disk, you don't need to open these screws. You just need to open this little screw here. I will just show you. That's it. It came out. Now there is a tag here. Just pull on this tag and that's it. Your hard disk is out. This is a 1 TB WD hard disk, and as usual there's a lot of dust here. Okay guys, so that's all I had to show you in this video. I will see you in the next one. Till that, stay safe, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. As usual, I'll answer each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.